Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. When Jesus did attack, he wriggled them about how the kingdom stay. You they understand what him did I say? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite you now to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on. Right there, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 13 from verse 31 to verse 35. Jesus give them one another story we sound like wriggle. God kingdom are like one lily seed where one man take and plant in him field. That seed they littler than every other seed. But when it grow bigger than every other plant where it in the garden. It grow and can turn tree. So bud can come build up nest in there. Him tell them one another story we sound like wriggle. God kingdom come in like yeast where one woman take mix in a whole heap of flour, say 50 pound, and mix it till it swell up. Jesus tell the crowd of people them, all of them sitting here, and I use story we sound like a wriggle when him attack. He no tell them nothing and no use story we sound like wriggle. That way, yeah, what the prophet did say come true. May we use story we sound like wriggle when me they talk. And chat the sitting them we hide up from the time when the world did I make. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.